What if you could drive a car for 1,000,000 miles without breaking the bank? Sounds impossible, right? In this video, we'll explore the top affordable used cars that are not just reliable, but built to last. Let's dive into some incredible options that can keep you on the road for years. Number 1. Lexus LS400. When it comes to reliability and luxury, the Lexus LS400 stands tall. Known for its incredible durability, this car can easily reach the 1,000,000-mile mark. Why is it so reliable? Lexus invested heavily to create a worthy competitor to the Mercedes S-Class, focusing on strict engineering tolerances. The engineers worked tirelessly, using advanced techniques to ensure a long lifespan. Even F1 technicians contributed to the LS400's robust engine design, which pairs perfectly with a plush interior. The ride is so smooth that it feels like you're gliding on a cloud. Now, even with prices rising, you can still snag one with under 200,000 miles for around $4,500. That's a fantastic deal for a luxury vehicle that can last. Number 2. Ford Crown Victoria. If you're on a tighter budget, the Ford Crown Victoria is your best bet. This car has served in police fleets and as taxis for years, proving its reliability time and again. Built to endure the toughest conditions, Crown Vics are known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. You can find them at great prices, often under $3,000. For instance, a 2011 model with only 130,000 miles can be a fantastic deal. Plus, with the P71 Police Interceptor package, it comes with a powerful engine and sturdy suspension. Not only is it reliable, but it also has a bit of power under the hood. You'll definitely turn heads when driving this beast. Number 3. Toyota Pickup. Looking for a utility vehicle that won't quit? The Toyota Pickup is legendary for its toughness. Top Gear once tested it by sinking it in water and setting it on fire, yet it kept running. It's built to last and handle whatever you throw at it. You can find these trucks for under $5,000, making them an unbeatable value for those in need of a dependable pickup. Number 4. Toyota Camry, 1997 to 2001. For those seeking fuel efficiency and reliability, the 1997 to 2001 Toyota Camry is a solid choice. Known for its brick-like sturdiness, this generation of Camrys was designed with simplicity and longevity in mind. You can often find them for around $2,500. The 4-cylinder or V6 options both deliver great gas mileage and impressive durability. If you're looking for a car that won't break down, the Camry is a safe bet. Number 5. Lexus ES300. Another fantastic option from Lexus is the ES300. It's smaller and simpler than the LS400, yet it still combines luxury and reliability. This model focuses on functionality rather than flashy features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a dependable ride. You can pick up an ES300 for less than $2,000, offering great value for a luxury vehicle. Its V6 engine is known for its longevity, making it a fantastic choice for anyone wanting a reliable car without spending a fortune. Number 6. Volvo 240. If safety is a priority for you, consider the Volvo 240. These cars are built like tanks and are famous for their longevity. Number 7. Honda Accord, 2002 to 2007. Finally, we have the 2002 to 2007 Honda Accord. These cars are incredibly reliable and known for their longevity. They come with options for a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder or a more powerful V6. You can often find Accords for under $1,500, making them one of the best value options out there. With their proven track record for reliability, they're sure to get you where you need to go without issues. So there you have it. 7 affordable used cars that can last you 1,000,000 miles. Whether you need luxury, utility, or reliability, there's an option for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.